Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing, this time with Christopher Ward, as you can see from the box. So let's get started to it. Before we start, this is an invitation to like, subscribe. Subscribing helps a lot, it doesn't cost you anything. So if you like this kind of content, be sure to leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. And let's get down to the unboxing. So this is, like I said, the C65 super compressor, and take the box off. Really nice box. We have some thank you 5-year movement guarantee. Here is the guarantee, a word from Mike France, CEO and co-founder. Here we have the instruction manual for the watch, how to use the watch, what's the water resistance, which button to press. This might be interesting for people who are new to this hobby. And at last, here we have some stickers, sailcloth to clean it with, which I will leave outside. And now we have the watch. So put this away. As we can see, we have this very cool 70s style. Let me get this off. 70s style color combination of orange and baby blue, which is apparently also one of the points for this super compressor, is having a little bit of vintage inspired look, and I think this one does it really well. I'm trying to take this plastic off. It's really well packed. So let me pause and take this plastic off. So this is the Super Compressor 65 Elite from Christopher Ward. Let me move the hand so you can see better. So as you can see on the dial, it's a chronometer, so a COSC certified, and you have an inner bezel, as you can see, moves unidirectional. So I have only the time, and you have here on the back side the super compressor count on the case, which we cover also in the review, an extensive part. I'll cover the history of the super compressor models and also the functionality, how it works. I just want to cover the main stuff and get to start wearing it. So let's get down to the specifications. So we have a 41 millimeter diameter. We have 47.5 lug to lug, a thickness of 13, I'd say 13 point, yeah, let's say 14. And you have a strap size of 22. And the price of this watch is 1,805 euros, and plus of course VAT if you're ordering from inside the EU, so you have to check that out. It is 150 meters water resistance, and as you can see, screw down crown. I think no, it's not a screw down crown, right? No, it's a screw down crown. So you have a screw down crown for the time setting, and you have the time setting stop seconds, as you can see, from the Sellita 300 caliber, which is COSC certified, running on 4 hertz, so 800 vibrations per hour, having a 56 hours power reserve. And yeah, it comes on this bracelet, and you have the strap option as well, which I like. I think I will take it off the bracelet as soon as I go out of the video, but I just wanted to show you how it looked like on my wrist. Actually, the bracelet looks quite well. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, so it's quite fitting. Let's see about the lume. So we have lume pip on the inner bezel, and you have lume pips on the hour markers and on the hands. They look quite nice. So I have to test them out in darkness to see how they will react. And like I said, I will be covering also all the points about what are these 41 and 30, the depth gauge, how to read it, from the back and of course on the front. And you have here a micro adjustment, but like I said, the reviewer before me has maybe the exact same strap side as I do, because he adjusted the bracelet and it's just perfect for me. Anyways, that's it for me now for this unboxing of this Christopher Ward C65 Super Compressor Elite. If you do like this kind of content, this invitation to subscribe, you find the subscription button here, and you might find 2 videos on the left and on the right that you might like. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.